Welcome back. Now let's go through that checklist that I mentioned in the previous video. If you click your user icon in the top right corner of the screen, you'll see that the first thing on your checklist here is create your first stack. So let's go ahead and do that. I have some legal documents and some invoices that I want to create stacks for, so let's go through it. The first one I'm going to create here is going to be a stack for my invoices. Now you'll see here that we have two options. You can create a stack from scratch, which means you use all of your own documents, 5 to 10 example documents, and upload them into the stack, and the AI is going to learn exactly where those documents go based on your specific documents. Then there's also the pre-trained model. We'll take a look at that here. So this is the easiest way to create a stack. You can pick a model that's the most similar to what you're looking for. So we have a few that are medical records, business, documents, stuff like that. You can see the examples right here. We have the basic section, the forms, and then specifically for veterinary clinics, as we have a few clients from vet clinics that use stacks. Let's go back though, because we're going to create one from scratch. We're gonna name this one Invoices, create from scratch. Okay? Let's go back. And let's create our legal stack as well. I'm going to show you how you can create a stack within a stack, which is we call a nested stack. So this first one here is going to be called legal, create from scratch. Now when you're in here, we're going to go down here and click create a new stack. This is going to create another stack within that stack. We're going to call this NDA because I have quite a few NDAs. We'll pop right back into legal here. And I have a bunch of sales agreement contracts as well. So we will create a separate one here for sales agreement contracts. Okay, now let's upload some invoices. Here we go. Go to the file where I have my invoices, and let's select these and drag them into here. So we're in the trial mode of Stax right now. We haven't fully activated our account, so we can only upload up to 10 documents at a time. If you want to avoid this, and if you're following along with these videos, jump to the video where I show you how to fully activate your Stax account. That way you can bypass all of this and upload as many documents as you want. While I upload these documents here, it's going to take just a second, so we will pause and then come back so I can show you how to retrain the AI to learn based on your documents. Okay, so I'm just finishing up with uploading all my documents into my stacks here. Right now I'm putting the sales agreement contracts in here. Okay, these will be finished uploading in just a second, and then I'm going to show you how to retrain all your stacks. It's really important to do this after you first create your stacks because the AI doesn't really know what it's doing until it trains on your specific documents. So now that this is good, let's go to our homepage here by clicking My Stacks. And if you see on the bottom right-hand corner here under Actions, we have Retrain All Stacks. By clicking this is going to train the AI based on your specific documents, so in the future, when new documents come in, whether that's through email or scans that you upload into Stacks, it's going to know exactly where to put them. Now in the next video, we're going to go through the next checklist item, which is adding your email address so you can receive incoming documents. So make sure you check that one out.